The second story, and this is Kinsley here, and welcome to Kinsley's Giggle Wagon. This time we're going to read The Grumpy Cloud. It was a perfect day for a wiggle parade. The whole crew wiggled and giggled down the street. But then a little gray cloud drifted over. It was having a very grumpy day. Drip, drop, rain fell right on the parade. "Oh no," said the bus. "Our parade is all wet." Bear grumbled and Grumpy grumbled. Bunny's ears drooped down low. The Grumpy was spreading like a puddle. But the Wiggle Bus had a better idea. "Hello up there, little cloud," called the bus. "Why so gray today?" The cloud sniffed. Nobody ever waves at the cloud. They only wave at the sun. "Then we will wave," said the bus. Everyone waved as high as they could. "Hello, cloud. Can you wave hello to the cloud?" The cloud blushed, a happy blush. The rain slowed to a drip, a drop, and then it stopped. The cloud smiled so big that the sun peeked out. And look, a rainbow stretched across the sky. A rainbow parade. They danced in the puddles, splash, splash. Can you splash like the crew? Now the crew waves at every cloud they meet. Some days are sunny, some days are gray, but a friendly hello makes any day okay. Beep, beep. See you next time. And don't forget to wave at the clouds. The end. Okay, guys, that's the end of the second book called The Grumpy Cloud. Well, that's the end. Bye, guys. See you next time.